how can you download the Google Drive app to the iPhone? Let's explain that and let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, become part of the community and that way you will not miss all of the important updates and videos like this one. So maybe you have been using the Google Drive with just the web browser as a link, but that doesn't have to be the case because you can open up your App Store. It's the icon with the A on the blue background, and you can do this to get like third-party applications onto your iPad, of course. I mean, the iPhone as well, right? But you open it up and look up the Drive like this. You get the Google Drive. If you have an update available, you just install the update, and this will make the app appear on your home screen. So then you will be able to open it up as usual and sign in with the Google account that you want to be using it with, right? So you need to use one for the app. Actually, you can even use more of your Google accounts and you can switch in between them, but you can find it right there in the profile section. And through this application, you'll be able to access all of your files within your Google Drive. So you can perform the uploads, downloads, and you can view and manage your files in here. So it gets the job done, it works out. So let me know if that's the thing you want it to do. On the other hand, while you already have the Google Drive app installed, you can also implement the Drive into your Files app, right? So we have the Files app from Apple, you can get it there. And in the left panel, like in the Browse section, we have locations, and as you can see, I have access to Google Drive in here as well. So if you don't have it, tap on the three dots, click on Edit, and make sure you add and enable the Drive as well. So it just shows up like that, and you can see it just gets the job done. So you can access all of your files even through the Apple's Files application, which I find to be very useful. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe, and see you in the next videos as well.